Did you know that the #1 reason that swimming pools lose their water is through evaporation? Swimming pool covers, or pool blankets, not only help you save your water, but they also reduce energy consumption, chemical consumption, and they'll save you cleaning time. That sounds like great news for the environment. It's great news for pool owners too. Now, there are three main types of swimming pool covers: solar, thermal, and leaf and debris covers. Solar pool covers are made of plastic and they provide a physical barrier to evaporation, and they can also help heat your pool by up to 8 degrees, which is fantastic. Then there are thermal pool blankets, which insulate your pool, preventing heat loss and evaporation. These don't actually heat up your pool, but they do have excellent heat retention ability. And lastly, leaf and debris covers. These are made from a fine woven mesh, which is fitted above your pool. They allow rainwater to pass through, but they stop, you guessed it, leaf and debris, and even bugs from entering your pool water. It's important to know that whilst these are great, they might not be as helpful if you're concerned with evaporation or water temperature. Now let's delve a little bit more into the benefits of swimming pool covers. As I mentioned earlier, the #1 reason why swimming pools lose their water is through evaporation. Evaporation occurs when the surface of the pool is exposed to the sun. Water molecules rise from the surface of the pool, they form a vapour and they escape into the atmosphere. Solar pool covers prevent this evaporation by providing a protective barrier against the elements, reducing the rate of evaporation, saving you water and money. Pool covers can also help you reduce your chemical consumption. This is because pool covers reduce the amount of UV light which comes into contact with your pool water. Now, this reduction in chemical use is not insignificant. Pool covers can save you up to 50% of your chemical use, as you're not constantly having to rebalance your pool water chemistry. Speaking of energy consumption, a good quality pool cover will help with that too. Whether you opt for a solar pool cover or a thermal pool blanket, you'll automatically be reducing the amount of energy you use heating your pool. Pool covers provide insulation, prevent a significant amount of heat loss, and this can reduce your pool heating costs by up to 50%. For those of you with saltwater pools, the same reductions in chemical and energy consumption apply to you too. And I've been saving my favourite benefit to last. Pool covers reduce cleaning time. Pool covers of any kind can stop leaves, debris, dust, and even ducks from getting in your pool. This means you have to spend less time cleaning it. And as you might have experienced, when leaves stay in a pool for too long, they can break down, which can fuel algae growth, which can lead to a green pool. So investing in a pool cover is a great way to reduce the time you spend on pool maintenance and increase the time you spend enjoying your pool.